Hey Scott Agency family, it's Brian Gleis here. Hope everybody's doing great. Wanted to take a second to talk about insurance. No, I know I talk about insurance a lot, but why you buy insurance? This is a tricky conversation or a tricky statement. Why do you buy insurance? Well, yes, it's to fix your car in the event of an accident, but the higher overarching cause of why you buy insurance is to protect your assets. Not enough people think about that. So many people just think about, oh, I need the lowest cost insurance possible, and they have no idea why they have the coverages that they have or don't have. I'm amazed that no one has had a conversation with an insurance agent about this 100/300/100. What does it mean and why did you choose it for me, or why do I have it? Is it enough? Nobody really talks about that. Nobody talks about why don't I have medical payments on my car? Nobody talks about why is my un- and underinsured motorist coverage less than my liability that I would pay a perfect stranger? Now, I know a lot of these things are very insurance-y. I do also know that price is important. I'm not naive, but let's make sure that we shop the right coverage levels for the right reasons. And the right reason is we want that level to protect your assets, your home, your autos, your bank accounts, your retirement, all of those things. That's when we start talking about umbrella policies. Yes, I know you want to spend more money on an umbrella policy. No, you don't, but that's beside the point. Do you want to get into an accident where some knucklehead out there can try to destroy your net worth, destroy your assets, take what you've worked so hard to get? And no, I'm not trying to fearmonger. I'm being very, very realistic. Have the conversation with your insurance agent about why your limits are what they are. How did your insurance agent come up with that? If they say, well, that's what most people are insured at, oh my gosh, let's get rid of that agent today and you come see me, all right? If your agent hasn't had a discussion about your liability limits, your assets, your net worth, and that's the reason why they're suggesting these liability limits, do something about it now. And I also want you to be careful on these doggone cell phone apps. They don't ask about your assets. They don't ask about what you have to protect. They don't dig into anything. All of a sudden, they put you in the position of the insurance agent. And yes, we do go through continuing education. We do care about protecting your assets. When someone calls me on the phone and they have a claim, that's when the rubber meets the road. Everything else is just basically customer service as far as that goes. And I can tell you that clients that have been through a claim with me will think 3-4 times before leaving me, all right? Because they get that level of customer service. So think about it. Why do you buy insurance? It's not necessarily to fix your car, but it is, all right? It's not to fix that crack in your window, but I know you use it for that. We want to design your insurance with higher deductibles so that you pay for the smaller stuff. The broken window, I clipped a side mirror, things like that. I know it sounds crazy, but I want you to pay for that stuff so that we can pay for the big stuff when somebody's coming after you and trying to tackle you, or your car gets damaged, irrevocably, or we've got to do large amounts of fixing to it. So that's it. Weird conversation, but nobody ever asks, why do you buy insurance? Because I have to. Because the bank forces me to. Yeah, I get it. But let's cover your assets. The joke that I have is assets. It doesn't get any better than that. Hope you guys are doing well. Give us a call. Bye-bye.